in a time when there is so much uncertainties.
One thing is certain.
SeaArk Boats is back and better than ever.
Building boats for all your needs.
Whether you're catching big fish like this,
Soaking up the sun with family and friends,
Or reeling in your favorite catch.
We got you covered. From our cat series
to our easy series.
Nobody has you and your family in mind like we do.
Chosen by the pros for its hull design and fishability.
And by families all around for its spacious layout.
we truly build a boat built for a lifetime.
Contact your local SeaArk dealer and become a member of the SeaArk family today.
Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube to stay informed.